xCloud now has an MCP for connecting your AI agents directly to your xCloud account, and I'm going to show you how to connect it. So here's mine, and on the settings page and under developers, I'm going to choose MCP, which opens a new page. And here are the instructions. We're going to add the server URL, and by default, it can do Claude Code, Claude Desktop, or Cursor, but practically speaking, it can do just about anything that handles the MCP streamable HTTP transport. But I'm going to start with Claude Code, and so I'm going to copy this right here, and then once I paste it into Claude Code, I'm going to run /MCP and choose authenticate. I'll paste it here on my command line, and there it is added. So I'm going to go into Claude, type /MCP, and there it is. So I have some other things that I could do, but I'm going to choose xCloud right here. We'll choose authenticate. And it brought up this browser tab. You can choose either full access, read and write, or read only. It's up to you. I'm going to do full access. So I click authorize. And then I can close this tab and return to Claude Code. And there we are. Authentication successful. Connected to xCloud. That's it. Now it's connected. So now we can ask, who am I on xCloud? And we'll see what it says. There you go. You're Topher. So that's for Claude Code. But if we come back up here and do Claude Desktop, then we go to Settings, Connectors, and Add, name it xCloud, and paste in this URL. So I am here, logged in. I'm going to go to Settings, Connectors, Add a custom connector. We're going to call it xCloud and put this in right here. So we hit Add. Now we click Connect, and same thing as before. I'm going to allow full access. There we go. So let's close that, and say, who am I on xCloud? And there we go. If you're using Cursor, then it looks like this. I am not, so we're not going to go through that. So now that it's connected, let's try a few things out. Claude always likes to ask permission, and I'm going to say, don't ask again. There we go. I have 3 servers. They're all provisioned. It tells me what stack they're running, where they're located, etc. So I'm going to find out how much drive space the sites are using on Topher's server. Okay, so it doesn't show me per site, but it does show me server-wide disk stats. And the whole server is 9.7 gigabytes. And it looks like there were 25 available, so I'm doing all right on drive space. Let's ask about plugin updates. And it looks like there are several. It asks, do you want xCloud to go ahead and update these plugins? Yes. All right, that's cool. It has queued the backup for all 3 plugins with a backup taken first, which is great. It says this runs asynchronously, and so it's running in the background. And I like that. I like the fact that it's doing a backup first. So as you can see, you can now just ask Claude all kinds of things about your servers, your sites. It's super powerful, and I highly recommend it.